I really like to quote the beginning of the Silmarillion by Tolkien, which says, "In the beginning there was music." And truly, I believe in context of art, but also in life, music is something that gives us meaning in life. So that is the pianist's role, kind of coloring in this world where there is no color, in the silent movie world. It gives another meaning to what is going on stage. And in contrast to where you would have theater plays or films where the music is just playback, that will just is usually just kind of a general background and a general mood for each scene, while me being on stage and being the pianist, like, creates an ability to play with the actors, to interact, to have like this kind of ping pong effect between music and performers. Love in general is kind of an emancipation of the soul, so a feeling of freedom. You find another person that you can be yourself with. That is what I'm trying to convey with the music connected with the love scenes. It's some people would maybe call it dreamy. I more say it's metaphysical. So something like kind of from another world, a power, a magic force that is not connected to this kind of unearthly feeling, but it's something from above. I try to create a music that is flying and flowing and kind of just gives the feeling of flying off into an open space. And that is maybe what I also connect with the feeling of falling in love with the person.